This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2K on PC. First, you'll want to make sure your computer meets the game's minimum specifications, which typically include a modern processor, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card with 2 to 4 GB of RAM. Once confirmed, purchase and download the game from a trusted digital store. After a successful installation, ensure all updates are applied before you launch the game for an optimal experience. Playing 2K on PC is best enjoyed with a dedicated game controller. Most players prefer an Xbox or PlayStation-style gamepad for its familiar layout and tactile feedback. Simply plug in your controller, and the game should recognize it automatically. You can then fine-tune button assignments and sensitivity within the in-game settings. While keyboard and mouse controls are an option, a controller generally provides a more intuitive and fluid basketball experience. Once you're set up, it's time to master the gameplay. Start by learning the core controls for offense and defense, including shooting, passing, and dribbling. The game offers several exciting modes, such as My Career, where you create your own player, and My Team, where you build a fantasy roster. Don't forget to utilize the 2KU training mode. It's an excellent resource for practicing specific moves and improving your overall game knowledge. To enhance your 2K experience, optimize your game's performance by adjusting graphics settings to match your PC's capabilities. Aim for a balance between visual fidelity and a consistent frame rate, ideally 60 frames per second. For online play, a stable internet connection with low latency is crucial to avoid lag. Join the vibrant 2K online community to connect with other players, share strategies, and participate in competitive online leagues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.